The best baguette pans for superior baking. A baguette is a classic and is considered a staple in French households. And to make one at home, you need the best baguette pan. Everyone craves some good baguette occasionally, and when it's done right, the smell and the crust from a freshly baked baguette can transport you to another world. Baguette has become increasingly popular in recent years. So, if you wish to try your hands at making a baguette or get it right, you need to bring home a traditionally made baguette bread pan. Irrespective of whether you are a pro or novice at baking or how elaborate or basic your recipe is, a good pan can help you bake that perfect baguette you have been craving for. So keep watching as we have listed the top baguette pans you can purchase online. We also give you a few suggestions on choosing the perfect baguette pan for your kitchen. Number 1. Omabelli French Baguette Bread Pan. If you are a home baker and want your baguettes to be perfectly shaped, the Omabelli Baguette Bread Pan is what you are after. The mold and the perforation give you the bread you were craving. The food-grade carbon steel pan lets you bake up to 4 baguettes in one batch. They are made from a much thicker material than other similar products, which increases the longevity of the pans. And the best thing, they need minimal effort while washing. What we like. Non-stick coating lets you bake without a baking sheet. Steam escapes with ease. Environment-friendly non-stick coating. Resists temperature up to 446 heavy-duty metal. What we don't like. The sides may be lower than expected. May have sharp edges. Number 2. Partian Silicone Baguette Pan. Wondering how to make that professional bakery quality sub at home? The answer is pretty simple. Partian is one of the top brands that manufacture high-quality baguettes pans made from liquid silicone and fiberglass. It withstands temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The bread turns out evenly baked, with a soft center and crispy crusts on the sides. The perfect bread for that perfect sub. What we like. Bakes 5 loaves in a single batch. 100% food grade, BPA, and gluten-free product. Usable up to 3,000 times. Great build quality. Compatible with the oven, microwave, and freezer. Measures 17.7 inches by 13.4 inches. What we don't like. Might bend when picked up. Mold may be prone to wobbling. Number 3. Kapinkook's Mini Baguette Baking Tray. Kapinkook's has years of experience in providing its customers with premium quality baking and cooking equipment. With their mini baguette tray, you don't have to stop at baking bread. You can also make cakes, casseroles, madeleine, and much more. The non-stick silicone and tiny holes are guaranteed to create some of the most adorable looking bread. They are light and easy to use, and even when you are not using them, they are still sure to catch some eye with their vibrant color. What we like. Made from tested food-grade silicone material. Bakes up to 8 mini baguettes simultaneously. Holds well in oven temperatures up to 240 degrees centigrade 464 degrees Fahrenheit. Compatible with freezer up to -40 degrees centigrade 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Measures 10 by 7 by 2.5 centimeters 3.9 by 2.7 by 0.98 inches. Dishwasher safe. What we don't like. The loaf may slide off the pan occasionally. Can be tricky to achieve desired brown color sometimes. Number 4. Chicago Metallic Commercial 2. Looking for a long-lasting pan? Chicago Metallic Commercial 2 provides the durability and quality that you are after. Their diamond quality, perforated, and non-stick bakewares give you crisp golden brown bread every time you bake. It measures 16 by 9 inches. And weighs just 0.39 kilograms. They offer 2 variations of traditional uncoated and dual-coated bakeware. What we like. Heavyweight aluminized steel to manage the intense heat conduction. Allow air circulation around the bread for even baking. Dishwasher safe. Bakes up to 3 baguettes at a time. Fits easily with other kitchen utensils. What we don't like. Perforations can be hard to clean. May burn baguettes if overheated. Number 5. Leku 4-cavity micro-perforated mini baguette baking pan. Does your kid love subs, but you hate buying bread from the store? Well, we've got you covered. Leku's revolutionary and innovative products not only make cooking easy and fun, but also very healthy. They are known to offer an extensive range of products to meet all your cooking prerequisites. With their French mini baguette pan, you can make mini baguettes right from the comfort of your home. The products are made from platinum silicone, coated with a non-stick coating, and make unmolding effortless. The mini perforation on the surface evenly distributes the heat and gives the bread a crust, just like the way your kid loves it, and probably you do too. What we like withstands temperatures anywhere between -60 degrees centigrade and 220 degrees centigrade. Dishwasher safe, low and high temperature resistant, compatible with microwave and freezer, leaves no residue. Designed as per quality and technology standards, easy maintenance. What we don't like, maybe floppy, maybe somewhat bendable. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products as it will make your life much easier.